Hi, I'm Kit Rich. This is a very simple warm-up that you can do before any routine. It's body weight, it's full body, and it's apartment friendly. You ready? Let's begin. Legs wide, knees soft. Inhale, take it up. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just one more here. Inhale up. And exhale down. Coming up, begin your shoulder rolls. Up and back. And reverse it, taking it up and forward. And turning your head side to side, loosening up the neck, keeping those legs wide. And then from here, take your arms out to the side, reaching down to one foot and back up. Connecting to that breath. One more each side. And let's go into side lunge slide, reaching. Getting those legs a little warmer now, but still feeling that nice stretch of the inner thigh. Keep your chest up, looking at me, and go back into those heels. Good. Let's go one more each side. And then once you go to one side, walk your hands over, coming into a low lunge, and begin to pulse your hips down. Opening up the hip, draw your chest forward. Give me 4 more here. Hold that there. Walk it over to the other side and pulse it out. Give me a few more here. Come back to center, holding this stretch. Soften your knees, roll yourself up, and make your feet hip-width apart as you go for a squat to calf raise, waking up your ankles. Squeezing your butt at the top. Good, 2 more here. Last one. And arms forward, kick your butt. So the moves are getting a little more dynamic. Make sure that these arms are really pulling back so you get that chest opener. It's also starting to loosen up the shoulders, flexing those feet. Very nice. Let's add one more component here. So you're gonna step back into a lunge, taking your arms up and back, opening up the front of the body, and then when you come in, the opposite leg reaches up and you get that hamstring stretch. Back, opposite leg kicks up. One more here, and then we'll switch. And switch, so the leg that was kicking up steps back. Woo, feels a little more awkward, right? Let's go for one more. And standing tall, just circle those arms. Ah, good. Feel the waking up of those shoulders. And reverse that. Breathing. Finish it here. Take your arms up, big inhale. And go work out.